Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Open the Organizer app and sign in so you're working live. First, tap Create Event and enter the essential details: title, date, start and end times, and the main location. Next, add ticket types: free, paid, or donation. Set quantity and price per ticket. While adding tickets, name each type clearly and set sales start and end times so you control availability. Once done, save the draft and preview the public listing to confirm core info displays correctly. Now refine the event. Write a concise description and upload a high-quality hero image so attendees understand value at a glance. Make sure to set category, subcategory, and age restrictions where needed. These improve discoverability. Configure the order form, collect names, emails, or custom questions, and choose ticket limits per order. Then set privacy and refund options and enable payment processing if selling tickets. Finally, connect analytics and calendar sync so registrations and revenue. Publish when you're ready and use the app's share buttons to post links to social, email, and messaging. This speeds early sales. Monitor the sales dashboard for ticket pace and attendee list updates. Use the check-in tab and mobile barcode scanner at the door to avoid lines. Before event day, export the attendee CSV if you need a backup list or badge printing. If tickets or sync fail, refresh the app, check network and account permissions, and retry publishing to resolve most issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.